Encouraging news tonight for Valley homeowners who waited out the recession and watched their homes lose thousands of dollars in value over the past few years. Things seem to be turning around. The average price of a home sold in the Fresno area has jumped from about $150,000 a year ago to $176,000 last month. That's a $26,000 increase in value. Action News reporter Gene Hagenson joins us live now from Southeast Fresno with where the prices are going and how local builders are rushing to meet the new demand. Gene?
Yeah, Warren, this is one of the many subdivisions in town that's being near completion. There are so far about 500 building permits have been issued in Fresno this year. That compares to just 77 last year, and they figure they're going to issue about 1,000 permits before the year is out. So it's sort of a mini building boom, and it's sparking high demand and higher prices.
Home building throughout the Central Valley is picking up and sales are rising fast.
We're starting to recover. Prices are coming back.
Fresno State professor J. Andrews Hans heads the Gazarian Real Estate Center at the Craig School of Business. He says even though prices are rising, the numbers are a bit deceiving.
The median transaction price in Fresno has increased 15 to 20% in 2013. However, that doesn't mean your property value has increased by 15 to 20%.
He says sale prices are up because many of the homes sold last year were lower priced foreclosures. Still, he figures the average home has increased in value by 8 to 10%. That's enough to get builders busy.
Things are improved from last year. Closings through June are up around 35–40%.
Mike Prandini of the Building Industry Association says builders are being more cautious with smaller subdivisions, but steady growth is expected.
It's not robust by any means, but it's a lot better than it was, and the outlook looks pretty good. So we're very hopeful that this will be sustained at least through 2014, 15, and into 16.
There are already signs of price adjustments. For example, the median asking price of a home for sale in Fresno shot up $65,000 between July of 2012 and today, but those prices have dropped about 2% in the past month. Any increase in interest rates could also dampen sales and prices.
Whenever interest rates go up, you lose potential buyers.
However, the signs from the federal government are that interest rates, now between 4 and 5%, are not likely to rise quickly. And the bet is the housing rebound will continue.
I'm not foreseeing any crash or big dip in the foreseeable future.
Now, there seems to be a big gap between the actual sale price of around $175,000, a median price for homes, and the asking price of $240,000. That's because many of those sales started weeks ago, and the biggest increase in prices has just occurred in the last couple of months. But further downward pressure on prices could come later this year as more foreclosures come back on the market. However, they do say interest rates should remain stable, and it's a good time to buy. Reporting live from Southeast Fresno, Gene Hagenson, ABC 30 Action News.